Makeup for a queen that you can do in 5 minutes. Maskcara Beauty is an all-in-one compact. I start with my Buffy brush and I apply my 2 highlights, my one general highlight and then my one lighter highlight. Next step is contouring, bam, and then bronzing. And then you're going to buff out all of it all together with your brush, voila. Next up, we're going to add our blush, which is a lip and cheek. You can use it as lipstick or blush. I love that everything we have is a dual product, just like our brushes. All of our cream products are the same and they all blend out flawlessly in one even layer. I just added my illuminator for that pop of highlight on the top part of my cheeks. And now I'm adding my Vanilla Dust setting powder, so this is going to mattify me in my T-zone and keep my makeup from slipping. Now go do your eye makeup with some mascara eyeshadows, add some lashes, do your hair, throw on some boss bitch clothing, put on your crown, and you're ready to take on the day. Message me to be color matched.